Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Chinese in Minutes. Today, we learned the Chinese character kāi. The core meaning of kāi is to open. But in Chinese, kāi is much more than simply opening a door. It can mean to start, to operate, to turn on, to launch, to begin a new stage, or even to open your heart emotionally. Once you understand the core idea of opening, many Chinese words become much easier to remember. Instead of memorizing vocabulary one by one, you'll start seeing the logic behind how Chinese words are formed. Let's explore 10 very common Chinese words that use kāi. Let's start with our first word, 开始, pronounced 开始, which means to begin. The first character is kāi, meaning to open. The second character is 始, meaning beginning or start. Together, they give us the image of opening the beginning of something. In natural Chinese, 开始 simply means to begin or to start. A simple way to remember this word is to imagine opening the first page of a book. The moment you open it, the story begins. Here's a natural example. 我们现在开始吧. 我们现在开始吧. Let's begin now.
Next, we have kāimén. Kāimén meaning to open a door. Again, kāi means to open, and mén means door. The literal meaning is exactly open the door, and that's also the natural meaning people use every day. To remember it, imagine standing in front of a closed door and pushing it open. Here's an example. 请帮我开门. 请帮我开门. Please open the door for me.
Our third word is 开车. 开车, meaning to drive. The character kāi originally means to open, but here the meaning extends to starting and operating something. The second character, 车, means vehicle or car. Literally, it's something like opening and operating a vehicle. But in everyday Chinese, it simply means to drive. A useful mental image is opening the car, starting the engine, and getting it moving. For example, 我每天开车上班. 我每天开车上班. I drive to work every day. Next is 开会. 开会, meaning to have a meeting. 开 means to start or to hold, and 会 means meeting. The literal meaning is start a meeting, and that's exactly how native speakers use it. To remember this word, imagine people entering a meeting room and the discussion beginning. Here's a common sentence. 老板正在开会. 老板正在开会. The boss is having a meeting.
Our fifth word is
开学. 开学, meaning school starts. 开 means to begin, and 学 means study or learning. The literal meaning is begin studying, but in real life, it refers to the beginning of a school term. Imagine the school gates opening and students returning after a break. For example, 马上要开学了. 马上要开学了. School is about to start. Next we have 开口. 开口. This word means to open one's mouth or to speak. 开 means open, and 口 means mouth. The literal meaning is open the mouth. In everyday Chinese, it often means finally speaking, asking for something, or saying something out loud. A simple way to remember it is that before any words can come out, your mouth has to open first. Here's a natural example. 他终于开口了. 他终于开口了. He finally spoke. Our seventh word is 开店. 开店, meaning to open a store. 开 means open, and 店 means shop or store. The literal meaning is open a shop, and the natural meaning is to start or run a business.
Imagine unlocking a new storefront and welcoming your first customers. For example, 他想自己开店。她想自己开店。She wants to open her own store. Next is 开灯。开灯 meaning to turn on the light. 开 means activate or turn on, while 灯 means light. Literally, Chinese says open the light. In natural English, we say turn on the light. To remember it, imagine a dark room becoming bright the moment the light is switched on. Here's a common sentence. 天黑了，快开灯吧。天黑了，快开灯吧。It's getting dark. Turn on the light.
Our ninth word is 开心. 开心 meaning happy. 开 means open, and 心 means heart. The literal meaning is open heart. In Chinese, this creates the idea of feeling cheerful, relaxed, and happy. A good way to remember it is to imagine your heart opening up and feeling light and comfortable. For example, 今天我特别开心。今天我特别开心。I'm especially happy today.
Our final word is 开放. 开放. It means open to the public or accessible. 开 means open, and 放 means release or let go. The literal meaning is open and release. The natural meaning is that something is available for people to enter, use, or enjoy. Imagine a gate opening and everyone being welcomed inside. Here's an example. 这个公园全天开放。这个公园全天开放。This park is open all day.